A new wave of excitement is sweeping through the drone community, and it's not without reason. DJI is set to unveil its most advanced ultra-portable drone yet, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, on August 7th, 2025. Unlike a typical generational update, this one is shaping up to be a full-on reinvention of what's possible in a compact form factor. The DJI Mini line has always walked a tightrope, packing cutting-edge features into a sub-250-gram frame to bypass aviation restrictions in key markets like the USA, EU, and UK. However, that featherweight classification might be in jeopardy this time. According to FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to house a massive 4,680 mAh, 33.5 watt-hour battery, marking a 74% increase in capacity over its predecessor. That alone raises eyebrows and questions. How can DJI maintain the under 250-gram promise while dramatically boosting battery life? With that kind of power source, rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro might tip the scales past 260 grams, possibly reaching 280 grams depending on final component choices. While this risks stricter regulations, the trade-off might be worth it for many drone enthusiasts if it delivers the significant performance gains expected. Visually, early leaks show a design evolution. The frame looks slightly bulkier, with space likely needed to accommodate enhanced components. But what really grabs attention is the reported addition of LiDAR, a sensor usually reserved for DJI's premium models like the Air 3S and Mavic 4 Pro. LiDAR could revolutionize obstacle avoidance, particularly in low-light environments where traditional cameras fail. Its placement, possibly in a newly designed gap at the top or front of the drone, hints at a complete rethinking of Mini's navigation system. Combined with vented motors, which are engineered for better cooling, higher thrust, and improved wind resistance up to 40-mile-per-hour gusts. If leaks are to be believed, the Mini 5 Pro could offer unmatched agility and stability for its class. Thankfully, DJI appears to have dropped the clunky one-piece propellers seen in early prototypes. Instead, the final model is expected to retain the familiar foldable propeller system, now paired with those more efficient motors, perfect for both portability and performance. The camera is where the Mini 5 Pro may truly leap ahead. A 1-inch sensor, a huge upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch unit, is rumored to be at the heart of its imaging system. This isn't just a technical bump, it's a transformational one. Larger sensors mean better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and more cinematic visuals. Coupled with a redesigned 3-axis gimbal and possibly 6K video recording, the Mini 5 Pro could bring professional-level footage into the hands of travel vloggers, real estate agents, and filmmakers, all in a drone small enough to toss into a backpack. Features like active track and vertical shooting for social media are also likely returning, possibly with smarter algorithms and enhanced stabilization, thanks to new processing hardware on board. All signs point to a major increase in flight performance. If the battery capacity translates well, we could see up to 40 minutes of flight time, a notable bump from the 30 to 34 minutes offered by the Mini 4 Pro. Also anticipated is OcuSync 4.0, DJI's latest transmission technology, which may allow a control range of up to 25 kilometers. While few will fly that far, the benefit lies in stronger signal stability, cleaner video feeds, and better performance in RF-heavy environments or tough terrain. With so many upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro isn't expected to come cheap. Rumors suggest a base price between $700 to $800, which would make it the most expensive Mini model to date, but still a bargain compared to Pro-tier options. Interestingly, DJI has started discounting the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 models, signaling stock clearance ahead of the Mini 5 Pro's launch. This reinforces the theory that a substantial generational leap is about to land. Whether or not it stays under 250 grams, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks poised to redefine expectations. If it stays light, it's a miracle of engineering. What do you think? Share with us in the comments.